Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to using your IMEI number check if your REALME 14 Pro was added to the IMEI.info lost database. So all you have to do to get your IMEI number is to just go to your phone app and dial this blue bold text number right here. And you just have to type it in and dial it on your phone, and then enter the IMEI.info website on your browser and type in your IMEI number right here. You'll get some basic info about your phone, and down here you'll find the lost device check. And here, if you provide your IMEI number, you'll be able to check if your device was added to the IMEI.info lost stolen database. And here you'll be able to find out, for example, your used one was added here or not. So if you enjoyed this video and consider helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.